See it not breaking below. Look at the 12 range. That's your 12. Follow your 12 range chart and then use your 4 range to make your entries. I'll say that again. Follow your 12 range chart, okay? And then use your 4 range to make your entries. 12. I primarily mostly look at my 12 range. That's what I look at. All right? So price is continuing trying to, it's just ranging right here. Let's see what it does. All right, I'm short too early, but I know what I'm doing here. Okay, look at that. See? Boom. Boom, that quick. All right, price is going to come down here to 4303 area, more likely. See it? It's coming. It's trying to come down there. It's at 4304.5 right now. Hey guys, welcome back. So let's talk about a little bit about overtrading for about 2 minutes, another minute or so. Overtrading, guys, please. Overtrading. Do not overtrade. Think about the areas you're taking your trades from. Think about the levels you're taking your trades from. Do not be, if you catch yourself or find yourself in a bad trade, get out of it. If you took a loss or try to minimize your loss by getting out of trade, okay, you took a bad trade, do not get emotional and get right back into the trade and start overtrading. Okay, that's called overtrading, and that's how you bust your account. That's how you lose money, because you become emotional. This is your most powerful tool right here. Okay, use it wisely when marking your levels, and feel confident about the levels you're taking your trades from. Don't blow your account. Don't be impulsive. Don't have that style mentality of becoming impulsive trading, because if you start doing that, then you start chasing the market, start losing your money, and you get stopped out every single time. So I hope that helps someone out there. Just a little bit of tidbits and a little bit of information to give you to help you. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Future Trading with Mike, and in today's video here, once again, this is my live day trading session where I'm recording and we posting to my YouTube channel. That's what my channel consists of all my live trades, all my live recorded entries and trades on the Emini S&P 500 futures, which is my primarily go-to market that I trade every single morning. Once the New York Stock Exchange opens, the exchange opens at 9:30 Eastern time, 8:30 Central, depending on what time zone you're in. But I appreciate everyone who's been following the channel and watching the channel. Thank you everyone who's been subscribing to the channel. Those that have been liking the videos, those that have been hitting the post notification bell, that little bell that lets you know every time I post a video. But my channel is just a channel where I post my live trades. I don't know how many people actually do this, but I live trade every single day for a living, and this is my way of giving back and helping others that may have questions about the markets and how to trade, things of that nature. So without further ado, I'm just sitting here looking at my charts. The market it's currently 9:38, so as always, we're looking for levels, and I also like to do a recap, those that follow my channel, an actual recap. Let's see here, guys, give me 1 second. Let me see one thing. I always like to do a recap of what the market has done prior day, and then look at the market. But I'm just trying to see right now the market has, there's a level right there. Okay, let's see one thing. It could be at the top, so this may not be a good entry to take. So, okay, let's see if price comes back to the 11 area, a 12 area. Right here. Actually, let me cancel that trade because I'm looking at something now. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm just trying to see what price is doing right here. There appears to be a little level right here, possibly. Okay, we'll see what the market does. It may push lower, but either way, yeah. Either way, there's nothing. It's not taking any levels to the upside. But either way, guys, thank you for watching the channel. Let's go ahead and get to the video here for today. So what we had yesterday, look at the market. The last several days, the market's been selling off, and we kind of pulled back here on the first, and then attempted to push lower and break this low here at 42.60. This is my market analysis, maybe reading the market, looking back at my charts. And I can quickly do this. You should be able to do this within a matter of seconds. So it shouldn't take you no more than 5 minutes to do this. And then the market tried to push higher. It still has not taken out this high, which it needs to take out right here, the swing high. This swing is this swing right here. Price pushed up, pulled back, didn't push lower to break 42.60. So now we need to see it break 43.65. So right now the market, if you guys know anything that what's going on with the market right now, this would be the question. I would say, hey, what's going on in the market? Market's moving sideways. We're in a wedge on the higher time frame, the 12 range. So the market has bounced at this area right here. So yeah, this may have been a little level right here, but either way, we'll see what happens. You know, overnight the market, even though it pushed up here, still has not taken out this high right here, 43.65. It right now it's kind of pulled back. Haven't broken any lows to the downside, so maybe we're going to move sideways and finally push higher. So let's see ultimately what the market's actually going to do. So we've actually pushed up here, we pulled back. Okay, we haven't taken out this area here. So yeah, we'll see what happens. See what happens here. All right. So let's see. Maybe this is an entry to actually go long. Okay. I'm long. Okay, price can bounce here. Come on. Okay, so price is bouncing right here. Come on, fill that order. I should have taken my. Come on. This is the one. I didn't want to see it. I didn't want to see it do this. Retest it. There we go. All right. So let me explain that. There was a level sitting right here, right? So when price pulled back to this level, I'll wait for price to break some swings to the upside. And what it did, it broke this little swing here. So on the pullback, you can take the trade right here. Okay. So this was a pullback. Okay. So you look at your 12 range chart. Okay. Notice what price action is doing. Okay. Level. Price pushed up. Pull back to the level, right? So then I look over my 4 range chart. Price pulled back to the level, right? All right, when it pulls back to the level, what am I looking for? Looking for rejection. The W was right here, but don't take the trade right there on the W. Wait for the W to form and take out a level above and then pull back to the W. When it pulls back to the W, then you look to take your trade, okay? So this right here is actually come on. Okay. Price should come up here to 15, 43.15. So come on up. Come on. Let me see one thing. Yeah, let's see. It should come up here to 43.15. Okay. Come on. Okay. All right. 43.15 right here. There we go. Boom. Right there to it. See that? I knew what price was going to do. There was rejection here at the bottoms right here. Okay. A little high volume area there. That was on the pullback. So what I noticed there was price doing this right here. Price pushed down, retrace. Okay, so it retraced, pushed up, pulled back. The wick right here, price that candle there, they closed to the downside. So that let me know that they were still buying opportunity there. There was liquidity there that the market was trying to, the big players in the market, the banks and institutions were trying to stop people out right there. And what they did is they pushed the market just a little lower. They didn't close to the downside with a strong candle. They wicked it out right there in the market. They turned the market back around. That's called, that's a liquidity. I don't know how you want to say it, a swipe or a liquidity grab or a liquidity hit. That's them coming down and collecting that money. When there was buyers right there, they tried to stop those buyers out. and then they turn it and stop those buyers out. These people, these buyers right here that stepped into the market, pushed the market right here, came back, retraced. They stopped them. They stopped those players in the market out right there, and turned the market around. So yeah, that was a nice little opportunity right there to actually go to go long, guys. So yeah, that would have been a nice trade. Actually, you could have stayed in that trade for maybe another point or two. All right, so um, let me. I want to look at the trade performance right quick and see what we're at today. Today is the 6th, right? All right, so today's the 6th, and I'm taking, I think, up 17 ticks right now. I think that was 2 little trades right there. So, okay, 17 ticks, and one of the most important things you guys have to understand is there are risk factors in trading. There's risk factors, especially more so in over trading. So don't be in and out the market. Especially when you see something like this chopping right here. Don't be in and out the market. This was another short right here. Yeah, that was another short right there. Price coming down to test. It should come down here and test actually 43.11, but it's bouncing. Yeah, that's around. Okay, yeah, I see. All right, so that was a little short right there also. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is don't be over trading. There's risk factors in doing so. Do not overtrade, guys. It will get you in put you in a bad situation because all you're doing is placing you're in and out the market, in and out the market. Be careful here because around the POC and don't trade. I don't like to take my trades around the point of control. Someone asked me a question about, how far was that price? How far would you look for price to get away from the point of control? You see the price is centralized right here, the point of control right now. I really don't like to trade trades and price shifts. Is price is around the area of the point of control. So I think price is going to test this area down here. Yeah. So let's. Okay, come on. Quick little scout. I know what price was going to do. It's going to test this area right here. All right. So getting back to what I was saying, try not. I only take trades around the POC because I have experience in doing so. I've been doing this for years, and I know it. I'm looking at price action. Once you become great at price action, you understand what the market's trying to do, then you can take those type of trades. But as a beginner, intermediate, whatever the case may be, you're learning. Please do not take trades around the POC. The POC is like a magnet. It's going to push and pull back and forth to it. See how it pushed up right here? Pull right back to the POC. Push below, pull back to the POC. It push lower, pull back to the POC. Push lower, pull back to the POC. It's just ranging right here. So this is how they stop traders out, guys. This is a very, 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 very dangerous area to be trading around, okay? All right. So the price is back to this area here, this level here. It cannot take out so far 43.17.5. Which is that little high right there. We're going to have to see it take this out, this little high right here, plus come up here and take this swing high right here out, okay, which it has not done so far. So there's a possibility it can continue pushing lower, all right? So it's back to that level. Price is pushing lower. So I'm not doing anything right now. I'm just waiting. Price actually can come down here now. See this low volume area? We could dip below that. So if price breaks below here, you may see me take a trade on a pullback to go down to possibly 43.02 or 43.03. But we'll see what happens here. See it not breaking below. Look at the 12 range. That's a 12. Follow your 12 range chart and then use your 4 range to make entries. I'll say that again. Follow your 12 range chart, okay? And then use your 4 range to make your entries. 12. I primarily mostly look at my 12 range. That's what I look at. All right. So price is continuing trying to. It's just ranging right here. Let's see what it does. All right. I'm short too early, but I know what I'm doing here. Okay. Look at that. See? Boom. Boom. That quick. All right. Price is going to come down here to 43.03 area, more likely. See it? It's coming. It's trying to come down there. It's at 43.04.5 right now. Let's see if it's going to push lower. Boom, boom. 43.04, 43.03.5. Okay? Got to be able to read price action and know what it's doing. All right, so we'll look over our trade performance now and see what we're up. Generate. We're up 32 ticks now. 32 ticks, that quick. I've only been talking to you guys for less than 15 minutes now and been trading probably 10 minutes of that and already up 32 ticks. It's not hard, guys. Once you learn this, then you'll thank me and you'll thank yourself for taking the time to really follow what you want to do. And so 32 ticks, we're at $400 right now. Already that quick in less than 10 minutes. Okay? All right, and you guys can do this. I know you can do this. That's why I'm saying don't let the market trick you. Let's see here. So all I do is move my line around to look for another area. This could be a level right here. Yep. This area right here, price broke to that low volume area. What did I tell you in one of my prior videos? Price likes to move from a high volume area down to from a high volume area, if it's pushing lower, through a low volume area to another high volume area, and then it's going to pause or bounce. Okay? So please, guys, don't be over trading. Wait to price to come to somewhere where it makes sense and look for the rejection, okay? Because over trading is going to lead to you being stopped out. It's going to lead to you wanting to do more impulse and revenge type trading to where you're really going to lose or bust your account, okay? Don't blow your account out because you took a bad trade and then want to jump right back into the market. That is like 99% of the time what I see people do is bust their account because they're over trading and not paying attention to what the market's trying to tell them to do or what it's showing them. Take a sip of my coffee. Be patient. That's all you gotta do. Be patient, guys. Okay. Whew. All right. Price is at a level. It's at a level. This may be a quick session here, guys. I may not be doing a 40 or 50 minute or hour session today because the market's actually giving me some good opportunities. All right, let's see what the market does here. I want to see everyone who follows my channel and those that are watching right now that are new. Guys, I want to see you become successful. I want to see you learn this. Just follow price action. Go back and look at my videos. If you haven't looked at the other videos, this is your first time visiting the channel and watching, go back and look at some of my other videos, guys. I say the same thing over and over. Price action. Understand price action. Forget about what anybody else showed you or trying to get you to understand or sell you. That's what they're trying to do. Sell you on something. Forget about that. Learn price action. It don't cost you nothing. Just study it. Understand price movements. Two things I always say, and most people who've been following my channel would know what I'm getting ready to say. Market analysis. Understand the market structure. That's what that is. And understand price movements. Simple as that. All right, price is breaking lower. All right, so no rejection there. Let's see. All right, here's an area. Here's another level right here. Right where price is approaching that. Let's see. Yes, price can bounce in this area. It's bouncing right there. See it? So far. Let's see what's going to happen. It can push through it. I'm not saying it can't. Let's see if we get some follow through and some rejection here. Let's see. Let's see. See it bouncing there? Let's see. It can keep pushing lower now. I'm not saying that, I'll mark my levels and let price tell me what it wants to do. That's what I do. Okay, tricky situation now because the VPOC, right? All right. Tricky, tricky, tricky. So, let's see. It's got to show me his hand. It's got to show me that this is, okay. I think 650. Let's see what it wants to do here. Playing around, right? That's what price does when it gets around the VPOC, right? All right. That's what it does when it gets around the V-pot. It wants to play around, range, pull back and forth. All right. So this could be a quick little scalp right here, but it's at the V-pot. I don't like it. You can push lower. There it goes. See it? Pushing lower. Wait for the rejection. Okay, didn't get it. Price is pushing lower. All right, so then what do? We look for levels below. Yeah, this could be an area. All right, now this could be a what's called a V-shaped reversal right here. Price may try to pull back to the mean here, which is at the V-pot. So you may see me take an aggressive entry here. All right. Yes, I'm aggressive on this trade. I know what I'm doing. Okay, come back, pull back. Go ahead. Nothing wrong with that. Come on. I like the pullback right there. Okay. All right, come up. Price should test this area here, 42.95. Ah, come on. Don't do that. It's got to break above 42.92 and 3/4 right here. It's got to break right here to the upside. Ah, come on. There we go. There we go. See that? I told you 42.95. Why? Because price wants to pull back to the B pot. Okay? I saw it. I took an aggressive entry. But what I want to see you guys do is, even though I did it right here, this is more of like a V-shaped reversal in a sense. Wait for the rejection. Okay? You kind of form a W right here. Pull down, pushed up, pull back, boom. Close, wait for the pullback up to the W, and then take a trade. It's going to test that area right there. I told you, 42.95 and a half, right around the point of control. Okay, so we had 32 ticks. Now we're up 43 ticks. Okay, so I'm gaining 11 ticks on that trade, and that's $537.50 as of right now. And I've been trading 15 minutes, 16 minutes. Okay. It comes natural, it becomes easy, guys, once you're able to and you fully learn this. Trust me, I was not always like this. It took me a while to get to the point where I'm at today, and it may not take you as long. You know, everybody's different as far as their learning style, but I had some learning curves that I had to, or hurdles that I had to jump over, and that was, as I talked about my video yesterday. You know, you guys heard me talk about that video yesterday about washing your mind, decluttering your head. If you haven't watched that video about decluttering your brain, decluttering your mind, washing it, starting fresh and learning, going back to the just ground zero. Watch that video. That's yesterday's video. That's October the 5th video. Yesterday's video, guys. It's a good video to watch. Another one of my live recording sessions, and I talk about starting fresh from all over again. Yeah, that was probably one of the biggest and hardest things for me to do. Was I thought I had learned so much, and come to find out, I wasn't even hitting on two cylinders. I had to go back and learn it all over again. And that's where I said, okay, I'm gonna be as simplistic as possible. Remove everything from my charts and just study price. Just study what the market is doing. And that's what I did. Okay. But this video here is more so talking about the risk factors of over trading. Okay. overtrading, like I said, can lead you to some bad juju, and that is to impulse and revenge trading, getting emotional, taking trades you shouldn't be taking, getting stopped out because of those trades you took that were bad trades, and just excessive trading, constantly excessive buying and selling left and right, trying to fight to get your money back that you lost. I don't want to see anybody be in that position, guys. All right. I'm gonna try to take one more trade here. I'm gonna try to wrap this video up here. We'll see if we'll be able to get into another trade here and you know, move forward. See what happens. So let's look. Let me kind of squeeze this together again. I need to look and see what we're doing here. So I said price pushed down, pushed up here, pull it back. I need to see it take out 43.66, which it has not done yet. So what I'm looking for is, let's see what I'm looking for. Price is pulling low, pulling low. All right. No. Um, hmm. Yeah, it could bounce here. Where price is at now? Because it's at the lower end of top volume area. So see that. Um, Let me take a look here. We got resistance right above us, so be careful there. Yeah, I'm not doing anything quite yet. You guys see it do forming a W here, trying to form a W, but I think it's going to go a little lower. And I'd say down here. Why have this purple line at? Somewhere around here. Yeah, it's hitting it. See it? And that's 42.81, 42.82 area. Let's see what happens here. So we get that little W right there. That W is like pretty much the failure, the rejection there. Price is moving sideways real quick, but price can keep pushing lower too though. So wait. I like to see it form that W, take out a level to the upside, and come back to that W, and then see if it's going to reject, and then I'll take my trade. See what the price is going to do here. Push a little lower. Now this down here is an area of support right here. This is definitely an area of support. Maybe we can get one little more trade. Not sure. We'll see. Come on, buddy. See what you're going to do. Not yet to me. Not yet. Let's make this a little bigger here. Let's see. All right, this is what I'm looking at. This is what I'm looking for. So at this point here, well, what do we got? All right, let's see. Hmm. Oh, I want to see price come a little lower. Okay. All right, I'm gonna trade. Okay. Can you come a little lower? Right here. There we go. All right, come on. Come on. Close to the upside. There we go. This is what I want to see. Come on, don't do that. Push up. Hmm. Okay, what is price trying to do here? I wasn't expecting this. Yeah, well, don't like what price is doing right here. Should push up. Be careful here on this trade here. I'm gonna play this trade smart. Okay. All right, I was able to get out there. They tried to fake you right there. You see that? Actually, okay, I'm in the trade again because I know what they're trying to do here. Okay, there we go. I know what they're trying to do there. The fake out right there. See what I told you about the failed wicks right here? All right, so price is going to probably test around here, around 42.85. Boom, right to it already. There we go. I knew what they were trying to do. That was the, if that thing would have pushed lower, that to me, I had a problem there because, okay, that's not typical price action. So I knew something inside of me told me to just stay in the trade, but try to get some profit. And when I saw this candle right here close to the upside, this right here on the 12 range, I knew that they were faking and trying to collect, this area of liquidity down here. They were trying to, this is where the buyer stepped back into the market. See what price pushed up, pulled back right here. Okay, there's liquidity sitting right here. And right here, when the price came back down, there was more buying power in the market. There was more money that was put into the market, interjecting into the market. So then when price pushed up, pulled back, you got liquidity sitting there. You got money sitting and resting right there with buyers that stepped into that area there, and they're going to protect that area. So when price pushed up and came back, and even it got a little hairy for me, but tricky. I saw when price, this candle right here, wicked out, meaning it means that when price pushed down, pulled back, and then you got a candle right here with a wick, price pushed up, came back. It didn't close below here with a red candle to the downside, but wick back up on the 12 range. It only broke below that little low right there, right here at 42.80, and pushed back below. When that little wick came below that wick there, I knew that's called wicking out to me. And then they turned the market back around. That's a strategy they try to do to stop traders out, guys. So please understand that. Okay? And I can, if you got questions about that, send me an email. I'll talk to you about it. So let's look at the performance now. That did get a little tricky for me. So I think, what did I say we had before, guys? 43. So now we're up. I'm up 57. And I think I'm gonna call it quits on this right now, guys. So up 40, excuse me, up 57. Okay, 57. So that's gonna do it for me on this video, guys. And 57 gives me $712.50. Show it to you guys. Most of my trades were longs today. Even though the market's selling off, you can trade either way. Just you wait for the level and be smart about where you're taking your trade from. I keep saying that. So let's talk about a little bit about overtrading for about 2 minutes, another minute or so. Overtrading, guys, please. Overtrading. Do not overtrade. Think about the areas you're taking your trades from. Think about the levels you're taking your trades from. Do not be, if you catch yourself or find yourself in a bad trade, get out of it. If you took a loss or try to minimize your loss by getting out of a trade, okay, you took a bad trade, do not get emotional and get right back into the trade and start overtrading. Okay, that's called overtrading. And that's how you bust your account. That's how you lose money, because you become emotional. This is your most powerful tool right here. Okay, use it wisely when marking your levels and feel confident about the levels you're taking your trades from. Don't blow your account. Don't be impulsive. Don't have that style or mentality of becoming impulsive trader, because if you start doing that, then you start chasing the market, start losing your money, and you get stopped out every single time. So I hope that helps someone out there. Just a little bit of tidbits and a little bit of information to give you to help you not do those things, you know. So guys, I appreciate everyone who subscribed to the channel, for watching the videos. If you have not subscribed to the channel, this is your first time watching one of my videos, please join the adventure here. Please join the team. Please subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell icon. That's that post notification button that if you click on it, every time I post a video of my live recorded tradings and discussing and showing you my live trades, what do? I explain my trades, I explain the level, I explain why I took those trades, okay? You know, also give inside information as well that may help someone else out there. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel if this is your first time watching. Also, if this is your first time watching, go ahead and step back over and watch some of the other videos that I posted to the channel as well. They all have good information. I have no problem sharing my trades. I don't have anything to sell. I just want to post these videos that hopefully may help someone understand price action and give good information that may help someone just in general, you know, whatever it is you're struggling in your trading venture. So I thank everyone for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. If you are trading, please be safe in the market, guys. Take care.